If you can follow small steps, you can solve a Rubik's Cube. No talent, no tricks. We're going to do this one layer at a time, and you can pause and copy whenever you need. First, a quick rule that makes everything easier. The centerpieces never move. They decide what color each face is. Trust the centers. We'll start by making a white cross. Put white on the bottom. Don't just make a white plus sign. Each white edge has a second color, and that color must match the center next to it. Line up the side color first, then turn that face twice to lock it in. Do this 4 times until the white cross matches all sides. Next, we finish the white layer by inserting the white corners. Keep white on the bottom. Find a white corner in the top layer, move it above where it belongs, then repeat this short move pattern. Right up, top, right down, top, back. Say it with me. Right up, top, right down, top, back. Keep repeating until the corner drops in correctly. It may look messy while you do it. That's normal. Now the middle layer. Look for an edge piece on top with no yellow. Match its front color to the center so it forms a T-shape. If the other color is on the right, use the right insertion pattern. If it's on the left, use the left one. If a middle edge is wrong, kick it out and try again. For the last layer, make a yellow cross on top using the front right up pattern. Hold the cube exactly as shown and repeat until the cross appears. Then match those yellow edges to the side centers. Finally, place the yellow corners, then twist them one at a time. Do not rotate the whole cube. Only turn the top between corners. The cube will look scrambled, then suddenly solve itself. That's it! You just solved a Rubik's Cube. You're welcome.
Woohoo! Yay!